Hi crocheters of the world, in this tutorial I want to show you how to crochet a lovely stitch perfect for the scrap yarn that leftovers of yarn, actually more than scrap yarn, that we all have, of course, from other projects, and we keep there, and this is a perfect, just perfect project, perfect stitch actually, to work a nice blanket or couch blanket, or I don't know, a scarf, nice and long and large scarf, or a nice and long and wrap, or so on. So it's a multiple of 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I will go ahead and put only 16 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, now as you can see, I am always working with 3 colors. You can work with so many colors. The project, it is worked in 2, so the color, one color is worked in 2 rows, and then we switch to another color and so on. I will show you how I switch to another color. As you can see, I have here some small and almost invisible knots. So this is how I switch to the new color, and it's really, I don't know, this method works for me. Maybe we will work for you too. It's so very nice. Here I have them too. This is a nice and lacy yarn, 75% wool, merino wool, really lovely. Okay, this is perfect for blankets, is really nice. Okay, so I have 16 plus 3. Now to begin, I will chain 3 more, 1, 2 and 3, and now I will skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into my 5th chain from the hook, work 3 double crochets, 3, and now 3 double crochets. We will begin with our repeat. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th chain, work 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. Okay, chain 1, 1, yes, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, work 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, work 3 double crochets, 2 and 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 into the 4th, work 3 double crochets. You must have one more chain where we will work our border double crochet. So into the last chain, a remaining last chain here, just go ahead and put 1 double crochet. This is our border double crochet. We have the chain 3 here and the double crochet here. Okay, 2 rows with the same color. 1, 2, 3. This stands for the first double crochet plus chain 1, so 4. We skip the first group of 3, we insert hook into the chain 1, we work 1 double crochet, then we go into the second chain of the skipped chain 3 and we work 1 double crochet. Work it nice and long, okay, at the same level with the first, and into the chain 1 space again we go with another double crochet. This is how we will work our double crochets. Chain 1, skip the group of 3, 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the second chain of the skipped chain 3, and 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1. Okay, and again 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the skipped chain 1, and 1 double crochet again into the chain 1 space. These are the 3 that we have. Chain 1. We go ahead and repeat this till the end of the row. At the end, this is the second, and into the chain 1 space 1. At the end, we chain 1 to skip the 3 double crochet into the third chain of the beginning, chain 3. So very sorry, it was a power failure, I don't know, power cut, I don't know why, but so I will repeat the last. Okay, so I work my last stitches here, my last group of 3, then I chain 1 and insert the hook, skip these 3, insert hook into the third chain and work my border double crochet. Okay, now cut the yarn, so pinch here, then undo the last double crochet. Okay, keep it pinched and cut. Okay, now we switch to, I don't know, yellow, lemon yellow. We take both yarns like this. I will put the link of the video where I am showing you how to work this, how to make this knot. Okay, now I will just go ahead and work it quickly, make it quickly. Now this is how I switch to the other color. I will work again my last double crochet. Okay, perfect, I am. Now chain 3, okay, and here we have the chain 1 space and the group of 3, so I will insert hook into the chain 1 space, work 1 double crochet. This is the first of the 2 repeating rows. We repeat these 2 rows and we switch to the other color when if we want to work with 2, 3 or more colors. Okay, if you want to work with 1 color, then we will repeat these 2 rows without changing color. Okay, so chain double crochet into the chain 1 space, double crochet into the second double crochet of the group of 3 of the row below, second row below, and again we go into the chain 1 space of the row below and we double crochet. Okay, then we chain 1 just to skip the group of 3 and we go and we work into the chain 1 space, the same thing, double crochet into the second, work it longer as you can see as I am working it, and then again into the chain 1 space. Okay, one into the second and 1 more. Okay, so chain 1, 1 into the second and into the chain. So we work 1 double crochet into the chain 1 of the row below, 1 double crochet into the second double crochet of the second row below. Okay, and again 1 double crochet into the chain 1 of the row below. This is the step. These are the steps. Chain 1, skip, work into the last chain 1 space. Here we have chain 4, so it's the chain 1 space plus 3 chains for the last double crochet, the same thing. And now we go into the third chain and we work our last double crochet. Okay, this is the first row of the pattern stitch to repeat. For the second row we will begin only with chain 3, so only with double crochet, because we have at the beginning and at the end the group of 3 double crochets. Okay, sorry, we begin with chain 4 because we have the group of 3. Chain 4 because 3 stands for the double crochet, chain 1 to skip the group of 3. Then we go directly into the chain 1 space and we work the same thing. Double crochet into the chain 1, double crochet into the double crochet and double crochet into the chain 1. Okay, just go ahead and work this. It's pretty easy, but it's so very beautiful. Okay. here we are. Chain 1. Okay. Chain 1, and now I will just skip and insert hook here. You can search for the third chain. I will insert hook here in between the second to last double crochet and the chain 3 of the beginning, chain 3 of the previous row, and double crochet for the border. Okay, now we need to switch. To the other color. These are the two rows to repeat. I will switch to this orange, kind of very clear orange. Okay, and I will make my knot, then again my double crochet, and here I am ready to begin with 1, 2, 3. Only 3 because I have the chain 1 space here, double crochet here, and perfect. Here we are, ready to go. Okay, 1 and 1, chain 1, and these are the 2 rows to repeat for the length that we want our project to be. Chain 1, and it's 1, and work 1, and the third. And then we push a little bit just to find we can go into the second, not into the third. Okay, look at this beauty, so very beauty. Chain 4 because we have to skip the first group of 3, insert hook into the chain 1 space and work the same thing. So once into the first row, repeating row, we begin with a chain of 3 because we have the group of we have to, oops, I forgot about 1 double crochet. I forgot to work 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space, the last one. So let me finish this because I want to show you how to finish, actually how to work the last row. The last row will be always a second repeating row. Okay, so this one for instance, and I will show you how to work it just because I found a way not to have that ugly. So let's say I want to finish here, I will have these ugly spaces, and I find a way. Look at here, I have them because I work with double crochet, but here it's so smooth and nice. Okay, so I found this way to work it. Okay, I will switch to another color and then I will show you the last. So again, the same thing, pinch here. You can cut before or after you undo this double crochet, but it's better after. Okay, I will take again this one. So nice therapy, so perfect therapy to work with lots of color. It's so nice. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, sorry. So let us pretend this is the last row. Oops. This is the last row that I will work for my project. Okay, with this color I want to finish. So I will chain only 2, okay, and I will work all the row exactly as the second, normally second row, repeating second row. Only that I will, sorry, chain 3, not 2, skip. Only that I will work it beginning with chain 3 and work with half double crochet. Okay, now a nice and long half double crochet here, then into the chain 1 again, 1 half double crochet, chain 1. Okay, so this is all. Last row will always be a second repeating row and will be worked with half double crochet. Okay, just because we avoid ugly spaces. Insert hook into the third chain. Okay, and look. So that's it. Really hope you enjoy this. It's such a lovely stitch, such a easy stitch. Just put on, turn on the creativity and the fantasy, and you will work some very beautiful projects. Carpets, blankets, scarves, wraps, as many beautiful things as you can dream. So, see you at the next tutorial. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to let me a thumb up. You can also share my videos with your friends on other socials. For me, it's such a very beautiful thing. For you, it's just nothing. Bye!